Hi guys, this is Vic and welcome to the training video series for viral video. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through the dashboard. Okay, so in the last video, we learned how we log in to the dashboard. Now in this, we're going to start with what is where in the dashboard. Now the important parts are on the sidebar. So on the sidebar, as if I just zoom, then we have all these options and they are self-explanatory. So if you want to find the trending videos, trending tags, the trending keywords, if you want to do competitor analysis, your channel analysis, if you want to get the video content from the other videos that are already there on YouTube, then we just go in those sections. And then we have a settings where you can just set up your password and stuff like that. And this is important, API settings. So before we even get started, this is what you have to do. As soon as you enter the dashboard, you go inside the API settings. And this page comes. Okay, inside this page we have some instructions. You need to follow those instructions. It'll hardly take 2 minutes. Okay, if you're really bad with doing this, then it won't take more than 5 minutes. But just follow these instructions and then you will get your API key, which you will just enter in this box and hit save changes, and this is done. So it is just a one-time activity, guys. Don't need to worry about it. So when you enter the dashboard, just go straight down, go to the API settings, and then just follow the instruction that is there on this page, add in that API key, and boom, you are done. Just hit save changes and it is as simple as that. It takes less than 5 minutes to do that. One-time activity. You don't need to do all the time. It is just when you log in for the first time. So in the next video, let's begin with trending videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. See you there.